Hey everybody, today I want to show you a Google Chrome extension that I have been just loving for the past few months. It is called Checker Plus for Google Calendar. And again, you can find this extension in the Google Chrome Web Store. This genius of of an extension is, of course, once you install it, it's going to be found in your extension tab up here, and it is a quick way to look at your entire Google Calendar. You connect your calendar or calendars, and you can just quickly, without having to open up a new tab or grabbing your phone, see what's going on in your calendar. If you want to add an event, it's easy to do so. Well, I will say this, I did not upgrade to their paid plan. So the paid plan gives you certain features along with the fact that you can click on a date to add an event. But it's okay if you don't, because all you have to do is click here, like on the number, and then you can click this button and then add have a great day from 12 a.m. through 12 p.m. And we press save, and you can see this event has been added. And similarly to Google Calendar, you can click on the event and you can edit it, do all your changes, add video conferencing, invite people, and then you can open up your entire Google Calendar itself in a new tab. And so I will delete this one. And so then you can click back on the date, see your whole calendar view. And over here you have some options. And this options page opens up where you can see that you can create notifications. They can be voice or desktop notifications. You can do all of this little tinkering for each of your calendars. You can also change what the button does, create a do not disturb if you do have your notifications on. Here's some general settings for the app, skins and themes, which I'm not sure if they are all available under the free plan. And then accounts, keys, and admin settings. So that was what I wanted to show you guys very quickly. It's just a fun extension to have if you are constantly checking your Google Calendar and you need a quicker way to do so. And again, find it on the Google Chrome store called Checker Plus for Google Calendar. All right, guys, stay tuned for more cool tips and tricks and tools. Bye.